विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो नमस्कार. मी विवेक हिरवडेकर आज आपणासमोर 10th जॉमेट्री बोर्ड नोव्हेंबर 2020 सॉल्व मॉडेल आन्सर शीटचा पार्ट 2 आपणासमोर सादर करत आहे. Question 2a. Complete the following activities and rewrite it any to 4 marks. 1. See diagram carefully. In triangle ABC, segment DE parallel side BC. If AD is equal to 6 centimeter, DB is equal to 9 centimeter, EC is equal to 7.5 centimeter, then complete the following activities to find AE. Activity: in triangle ABC, segment DE parallel side BC given. Therefore, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Therefore, 6 upon 9 is equal to AE upon. Therefore, AE is equal to 6 into 7.5 upon. Therefore, AE is equal to. Question 2. A1 activity. In triangle ABC, segment DE parallel side BC given. Therefore, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Basic proportionality theorem. Therefore, 6 upon 9 is equal to AE upon 7.5. Put value. Therefore, AE is equal to 6 into 7.5 upon 9. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 into 2.5 is equal to 7.5. Therefore, AE is equal to 2 into 2.5. Therefore, AE is equal to 5.0 centimeter. Question 2. See figure carefully. In the above figure, chord AB and chord CD intersect each other at point E. If AE is equal to 15, EB is equal to 6, CE is equal to 12, then complete the following activity to find ED. Activity: chord AB and chord CD intersect each other at point E given. Therefore, CE into ED is equal to AE into EB. Therefore, into ED is equal to 15 into 6. Therefore, ED is equal to upon 12. Therefore, ED is equal to. A2 activity: chord AB and chord CD intersect each other at point E given. Therefore, CE into ED is equal to AE into EB. Theorem of internal division of chords: 12 into ED is equal to 15 into 6. Therefore, ED is equal to 15 into 6 upon 12. Therefore, ED is equal to 15 into 6 upon 12. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 15 upon 2. Therefore, ED is equal to 7.5. Question 3. If C 3 5 and D minus 2 minus 3, then complete the following activities to find the distance between point C and D. Activity: let C 3 5 is equal to x1 y1, D minus 2 minus 3 is equal to x2 y2, CD is equal to under root x2 minus bracket complete square plus y2 minus y1 bracket complete square. Formula: therefore CD is equal to under root minus 2 minus bracket complete square plus minus 3 minus 5 square. Therefore CD is equal to under root dot 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 plus 64. Therefore CD is equal to under root A3. Activity: let C 3 5 coordinate point x1 y1, D minus 2 minus 3 coordinate point x2 y2, CD is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket complete square plus y2 minus y1 bracket complete square. Distance formula: CD is equal to under root minus 2 minus 3 bracket complete square plus minus 3 minus 5 bracket complete square. Therefore CD is equal to under root minus 5 square plus minus 3 square. Minus 5 square is equal to 25, minus 8 square is equal to 64. Therefore CD is equal to under root 25 plus 64. Therefore CD is equal to under root 89. B. Solve the following sub questions, any for 8 marks. 1. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Area triangle ABC is equal to 81 centimeter square. Area triangle PQR is equal to 121 centimeter square. If BC is equal to 6.3 centimeter, then find QR. B1. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Area triangle ABC is equal to 81 centimeter square. Area triangle PQR is equal to 121 centimeter square. BC is equal to 6.3 centimeter. Area triangle ABC upon area triangle PQR is equal to BC square upon QR square. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. Therefore 81 upon 21 is equal to 6.3 square upon QR square. 9 upon 11 is equal to 6.3 upon QR. Taking square roots, 9 into QR is equal to 6.3 into 11. Therefore QR is equal to 6.3 into 11 upon 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 into 0.7 is equal to 6.3. Therefore QR is equal to 0.7 into 11. Therefore QR is equal to 7.7 centimeter. 2. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 60 degree angle Q is equal to 90 degree and QR is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. Then find the value of PR and PQ. B2, in triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 60 degree, angle Q is equal to 90 degree, QR is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. In figure, in 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, see figure carefully, angle P is equal to 60 degree, angle R is equal to 30 degree, remaining angle Q is equal to 90 degree, length QR is equal to 6 root 3. In 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, side opposite to 60 degree is equal to under root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse. Side opposite to 60 degree QR is equal to 6 root 3 is equal to under root 3 upon 2 into PR. Six root 3 into 2 upon root 3 is equal to PR. Root 3 cancel. 6 to the 12. Therefore, 12 is equal to PR. Therefore, PR is equal to 12 centimeter. Side opposite to 30 degree is equal to 1 upon 2 into hypotenuse. PQ is equal to 1 upon 2 into 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Therefore, PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, the value of PR is equal to 12 centimeter and PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. Question 3. Find the slope of line passing through a points A 2 5 and B 4 minus 1. B3. Here points A 2 5 x1 y1, point B 4 minus 1 x2 y2. Therefore, slope of line AB is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to minus 1 minus 5 upon 4 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 6. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Therefore, slope of line AB is equal to minus 6 upon 2 is equal to minus 3. Therefore, the slope of line AB is minus 3. 4. Draw a circle with center O and radius 3.2 cm. Draw tangent to the circle at any point P on it. B4. Here a circle with center O, radius 3.2 cm. First draw circle, radius 3.2 cm. Construct ray OX. Then take point P on a circle. Take perpendicular line from P to ray OX. Line L perpendicular to ray OX. Line L is a tangent of a circle. Find the surface area of sphere of radius 7 cm. B5. Here radius of sphere is equal to 7 cm. The surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. Formula. is equal to 4 into 22 upon 7 into 7 square. 4 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. 7 7 cancel. 4 into 22 into 7 is equal to 616 centimeter square. 4 into 22 is equal to 88 into 7 is equal to 616 centimeter square. Therefore, surface area of sphere is 616 centimeter square. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, 10th जॉमेट्री बोर्ड नोव्हेंबर 2020 सॉल्व मॉडेल आन्सर शीटचा पुढील भाग अभ्यासासाठी पार्ट 3चा व्हिडिओ पहा. धन्यवाद.